In this module, we are going to cover the fundamentals of mindfulness, both the principles and also some specific techniques that are going to allow you to be more aware and more calm in your everyday life. In terms of goals, our major goal for this module is simply to clarify how you can be more mindful. In higher detail, we're going to dive deep into, for example, how to properly cultivate presence and awareness, removing crutches, how to foster a humble beginner's mind, free of assumptions, judgments, pride, or arrogance, how to face the facts in order to gain more clarity, even when they are against you, maybe especially when they are against you, how to properly leverage both patience and trust so that you can be more calm in the face of stress, and also how to cultivate gratefulness and self-acceptance, especially about our own imperfections. For this, we are going to cover two main families of topics regarding mindfulness. The first is the principles of mindfulness itself: acceptance, presence, patience, self-trust, and others. How these building blocks, by themselves or together, can make you more mindful. After that, we are going to cover the practice of mindfulness itself. Some simple techniques to help you become more present and aware, such as exercise, meditation, removing everyday crutches, and others.